Hello dear friends. Today see another selection and coolest product for outdoor camping. All links to those products are in the description down below. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell. Let's go. Folding Storage Tray. Introducing the Folding Storage Tray, the ultimate portable organizer for all your camping and travel needs. This lightweight yet durable tray is made from high-quality 600D Oxford fabric, ensuring waterproof protection for your belongings. Available in khaki or coffee color options, it adds a touch of style to your outdoor adventures. Weighing just 68g for the small size and 93g for the large size, this tray is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. When unfolded, the small tray measures 2,525 centimeters, while the large one expands to 3,030 centimeters, providing ample space for your essentials. Whether you need to store jewelry, makeup, electronic gadgets, or other small items, this organizer has you covered. Its foldable design allows for convenient storage and transportation, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or traveling. Say goodbye to clutter and keep your belongings neatly organized with the folding storage tray. Introducing the FLEXTAILGEAR Tiny Pump X Portable Air Pump, the ultimate outdoor gadget for camping enthusiasts and hikers alike. This compact and lightweight air pump is a game-changer when it comes to inflating or deflating your outdoor gear. With its impressive 3.5 kilopascals air pressure and 180 liters per minute wind speed, the Tiny Pump X can quickly inflate or deflate various items such as swim rings, camping air mattresses, air cushions, and storage bags. It boasts a well saturation function, ensuring efficient operation compared to other electric air pumps. Not just limited to outdoor adventures, the Tiny Pump X is also perfect for household use. Use it with a vacuum bag to store spare comforters and out-of-season clothes effortlessly. Simply turn on the deflation switch, and it will suck up all the excess air within the vacuum bag in no time. Equipped with a powerful 1,300 mAh lithium battery, this travel air pump provides up to 15 minutes of continuous operation after a full charge. Thanks to its fast Type-C port, you can charge it using a power bank, laptop, car charger, or power adapter. Plus, the convenient charging indicators let you know when it's ready to go. Say goodbye to the hassle of finding a socket or outdoor power supply. Bring the FLEXTAILGEAR Tiny Pump X on your next adventure, and enjoy hassle-free inflation and deflation wherever you go. Bisinna Outdoor BBQ Grill Pan. Are you ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level? Introducing the Bisinna 34 cm Outdoor BBQ Grill Pan, the perfect companion for your camping adventures and outdoor barbecue parties. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this grill pan is not only durable, but also ensures balanced heating for rapid and uniform heat conduction. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked food. With its outer high and inner low design, this grill pan prevents oil from running out and splashing, keeping your cooking experience mess-free. Plus, its non-stick surface makes cleaning up a breeze. Whether you're frying, stir-frying, or stewing, the Bisinna grill pan has got you covered. And with its compact size and lightweight design, it's easy to take with you wherever you go. Equipped with a set of wooden handles, this grill pan ensures a comfortable grip while protecting your hands from scalding. So why wait? Elevate your outdoor cooking game with the Bisinna 34 cm Outdoor BBQ Grill Pan today. Foldable Collapsible Telescopic Stool. Introducing the Portable Collapsible Telescopic Stool, your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures. This sturdy and foldable stool is designed with convenience in mind, offering a load capacity of up to 400 pounds while remaining lightweight at just 1 kilogram. Crafted from durable plastic, it can support weights of up to 200 kilograms, ensuring reliability and longevity on your outdoor trips. One of the standout features of this stool is its collapsible and telescopic design, making it incredibly space-saving and easy to carry. Whether you're hiking, fishing, or enjoying a picnic, this stool is the perfect companion for all your outdoor activities. Its adjustable height allows you to customize it to your liking, providing optimal comfort wherever you go. Not only is this stool practical, but it's also built to withstand the elements. Its waterproof capacity makes it suitable for use in any outdoor environment, ensuring durability even in the wildest of conditions. Say goodbye to uncomfortable seating arrangements and hello to convenience with the Portable Collapsible Telescopic Stool. Upgrade your outdoor experience today. Fire Maple Star X1 Camping Stove. Introducing the Fire Maple Star X1 Camping Stove, your ultimate outdoor cooking companion. This compact and lightweight cooking system is designed for adventurers who demand efficiency and convenience on the trail. With its innovative heat exchanger, the Star X1 reduces wind interference and boils water up to 30% faster than traditional stoves. Say goodbye to long wait times and hello to quick and efficient cooking. Weighing just 511 grams, this stove is incredibly portable. Everything from the stove itself to the pot and bowl fits snugly into the 1-liter cook pot, making it perfect for backpacking trips where space is at a premium. Igniting the stove is a breeze with the built-in piezoelectric igniter, and the folding handle and control valve ensure safe and easy cooking. Plus, the hard anodized aluminum pot and insulating neoprene cover guarantee durability and safety for years of outdoor cooking enjoyment. Whether you're camping, hiking, fishing, or tailgating, the Fire Maple Star X1 is your go-to cooking system. Get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking experience with this versatile and reliable stove.